Today is a historic day, not only for Amaravati or Andhra Pradesh, but for India itself. Today we are laying the foundation for something far greater than a building. We are laying the foundation for India's leadership in the global quantum revolution. We are standing at a global inflection point. The United Nations has declared this year the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. Across the world, experts describe this moment as the transistor momentum for quantum, when deep science theory becomes real world capability. The last 2 centuries were largely a story of missed opportunities for India. We missed the agriculture revolution. We missed the industrial revolution. But we did catch up with the communication and IT revolution. I am very happy. I remember even today our honorable former Prime Minister Vajpayee ji has introduced deregulation in telecommunication sector. And also at that time, I started iTech City. That is a game changer in information technology. At that time, iTech City was inaugurated by Vajpayee ji. Today, Amaravati City Foundation was laid by Honorable Prime Minister. I am very happy to announce Jitendra Singh ji will be remembered in the history. Quantum machine, quantum computer is inaugurated by him. It will be remembered. It will be a game changer not only for Andhra Pradesh, for India. It is going to happen.